Let's use circle to search something. Go to your phone settings, and to enable circle to search, scroll down and tap on display. Under display settings, scroll down and tap on navigation bar. Here you will find circle to search option, so turn on this option. And here currently I have the swipe gesture navigation. In swipe gesture navigation, to enable circle to search, just press and hold this home button. And here we can see circle, tap or highlight anything on your screen to search it. Just cross this panel. And now you can easily search something using circle, just like so. Here we can see the result in Google. Let's open my Facebook app, for example, and let's search something in my Facebook. Let's search this picture in Google using circle search option. So here I'm just long pressing on this home button. And now I'm just selecting this car using circle. And here you can see all informations about this car showing in Google. And here's another thing, if you're using buttons, navigation bar, let's see how to enable circle search. All you have to need, just long press this home button and your circle search will be turned on. Now just circle anything to search on Google. That's it.